Today I'm taking a look at ladder lace stitch. This is the front of the work and this is the back. Hello and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm knitting this geometric ladder lace pattern. The stitches and yarn overs work together to create these eyelet holes moving up the work. This is a set of 3 repeats here. 1, 2 and 3. Plus it has extra stitches on each side. This here is the cast on edge. It has an attractive triangle shaped border and the stitches don't roll. It has a nice neat finish on the sides. And this is the reverse. Now this ladder lace pattern is knit on multiples of 14 stitches plus an extra 11 stitches. I've gone ahead and cast on 25 stitches today for this example, and that's the 14 for the pattern plus 11 stitches for the sides. The design is created over just a 2-row pattern repeat. I've gone ahead and knit a few already. This is 5 repeats of the 2-row pattern. If you're ready to knit along with me, grab your needles and some yarn. I'm using a DK weight yarn today and I'm on 4mm needles. So row 1 the right side. We'll start with knit 2 together. Knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we have a yarn over followed by a knit 1. That knit 1 marks the start of our repeat. So the repeat is knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SSK, slip, slip, pass those back onto the left needle, knit them together, yarn over, SKPO, slip, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over those you knit together. And we have another yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over, and that marks the end of the repeat. So then if you have more stitches, you simply carry on with that repeat until you reach your final 6 stitches. This is my final 6 stitches. I have a knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3 and an SSK, slip, slip, pass those back and knit. And there we have it. Turning the work to start row 2, and row 2 wrong side is a purl row. Purl all the stitches on row 2. I post new stitch pattern videos at least once a week. Be sure you've subscribed so you don't miss out on any, and tell me in the comments below what you're working on and whether you have any favourite designs or stitch patterns. I'll just finish purling all the way along this row and then we'll go through row 1 again. Okay, so I'm ready to start row 1 again, right side facing. We start with knit 2 together, knit 3, yarn over. Now we start the repeat. Knit 1, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, SSK, slip, slip and knit, yarn over, SKPO, slip, knit 2 together, and then pass your slip stitch over. Be careful you don't pass the yarn over stitch over. There we go. Another yarn over, knit 2 together, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and we'll end this repeat with another yarn over. I've got 6 stitches left, knit, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, SSK, SS and knit, and there we have it. And that's the ladder lace stitch pattern. Just keep repeating the 2 rows. You'll find all the pattern details written down in the description box below, so take a look there, and I hope you enjoyed watching and found this tutorial useful. Until next time, thank you and enjoy knitting all your stitches.